Have you ever wondered how airplanes manage to stay in the air? Well, it's all thanks to the shape of the wings and the phenomenon known as lift. When the airplane moves forward, the wing's unique shape creates a difference in air pressure, lifting the plane into the sky. Additionally, the engines provide thrust, propelling the plane forward and keeping it moving through the air. And let's not forget the role of gravity, which the plane must overcome to maintain flight. So, the next time you look up and see an airplane cruising through the sky, remember the incredible science that keeps it flying.